Hey guys, welcome back to Future Homesteader. Here recently, 2 of my chickens went broody and 1 of my ducks went broody, and they hatched out ducklings and chicks, so we're going to be showing you them today. So let's get to it. So here are the chicks that hatched from the 2 broody hens. So the 2 chickens went broody at around the same time. And they had 15 eggs and hatched out 9 chicks, so I'm really happy about that. So this duck out of 10 eggs hatched out 4, and hopefully we'll get some more. And a couple weeks ago, my sister got me 2 new ducklings, and they're both Muscovies. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing our several new animals. And anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.